Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can create a real estate website on Wix. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Wix and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the top, you're going to find the option to create a new folder, and here you're going to find the option to create a new site. Right here, as you can see guys, you're going to find the sites that you already have on Wix. So right now, we're going to click on create a new site. And then this will take you to this page right here. Bring your ideas to life with AI. Basically, guys, right here, you're going to have two choices. You can either use AI to help you create your site, or you can set it up without a chat. So right now, we're going to set it up with the chat. I'm going to click on start chat. And then right here, you need to firstly tell him what the site is all about. So I'm going to type real estate and then hit enter. After that, it's going to answer you. What is the name of your real estate business or website? For example, I'm going to name it tutorial real estate. And then I'm going to hit enter. And after that, it's going to answer you or ask you about some more details. So I'm going to end chat and continue with this. And right now, as you can see, guys, the AI will make it a lot easier for you to generate your site. Right now, as you can see, guys, we are in the dashboard. So right now, I'm going to go to design site. And then we're going to be right here in this page. Once you're here, you're going to have two options right here. You can either generate a design with AI or customize a template. So I'm going to click on pick a template, and then we can pick a template from here. So for example, I'm going to choose this one, click on edit, and then just wait for this page to load. Basically, guys, this page is going to be the editor for our Wix site. And right here, basically, we can customize our site and design it. As you can see, guys, this is the first design that we have. So basically, this is the template that we picked. We're going to just wait for the this to load. And this is how the final results look like. So once you customize your site, here in the top, you're going to find the option to publish your site and go live. So this is us guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys in the next video.